this is what Feng Shui interior design is about. Is slightly different than regular interior design, is more Feng Shui based. So the classes that we teach are, in Feng Shui based interior design, Feng Shui based architectural design, Feng Shui based landscape design. We give them that extra something. And if you are an interior designer or an architect or a landscape designer, this can be actually quite useful for you for that very purpose. So another room, for example, that we discuss extensively, in addition to the kitchen, we discuss extensively in our classes are the Feng Shui bedroom, because the bedroom is the place where we spend at least 8 hours basically in the same position, if we're lucky. So it is the room of the house where we interact for the longest with the energy. There is no other room, not even at work, we're sitting in the same place for 8 straight hours. So the bedroom has a tremendous effect on our well-being, on our success, and our ability of achieving our full potential because of the amount of time that we spend there. So the layout of the bedroom should be comfortable, should be designed to promote good sleep. So the positioning of the door and the windows should be very carefully considered upon designing the room. So not just when you're trying to fit the bed somewhere, the entire room should be designed already from scratch with Feng Shui in mind for that very purpose. And also, of course, the position of the bed, the orientation of the bed. And we go back to what we were discussing earlier about the direction that are best for each occupant. For one person based on one date of birth, their date of birth, their bed direction should be north or should be south, or maybe it should be southwest or northeast. Of course, the problem happens when you have one person, like let's say myself, for whom one direction is preferable, and then my husband, for which a different direction is preferable. Or the children is easier because they sleep in different bedrooms, they have different beds, so it's easier to manage the orientation of their bed. But when a couple sleeps in the same bed, how do we pick this direction? So we learned that as well in our class.